Look at the bumper on that thing. The bumper was reshaped to improve the approach angle, allowing the Forester to clear rocks without scraping the front end. The factory look was preserved, including the fog lights, without cutting the bumper corners. Combined with a 30mm lift, the vehicle now has approach angles comparable to those of a Toyota Land Cruiser. Approximately 42 degrees under the bumper, 34 degrees at the tire, and 31 degrees at the lowest center point. We did the same bumper mod on our Forester.